To make this 3D paper craft heart using a template from Make It Paper, you need 2 sheets of red cardstock or thick paper. I recommend using paper that's more than 200 GSM, and for preparing the pieces for this project, you have 2 options. Option 1. You can print the template using any black and white printer. After printing, score all the lines inside each piece. Scoring simply means creating a crease using any pointy tool. Here I'm using an empty pen. These are fold lines and scoring makes them easier to fold later. After scoring, cut the template using scissors or a cutter, whatever you prefer. Option 2. If you have a craft cutting machine like Cricut, Silhouette, Brother or any other machine, you can use that as well. After cutting, you will get pieces like these. If you look at the pieces, you'll notice 2 types of lines. Wherever you see a straight black line, you need to make a valley fold. That means fold it towards you. Wherever you see a line with a small circle in the center, you need to make a mountain fold. That means fold it away from you. After folding, the pieces should look like this. Now take the first and second pieces and look for the matching numbers on the edges. As you can see, both the pieces share the number 43. To join them, I'm using a regular white glue and applying a thin layer using a toothpick. In the same way, glue all the other pieces together. Remember to attach one flap at a time. Here is a quick time lapse so you can see the entire process. Your 3D paper heart is ready. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy crafting.